The strumming pattern we're about to learn is possibly the most important strumming pattern you could learn on the guitar. It's incredibly useful and you can use it in many songs. We're going to be doing this on the E minor chord to begin with because we don't have to worry about skipping any strings on that one. So get your E minor chord at the ready. And we're going to learn this strumming pattern in two halves. The first half goes like this. Did you see what happened there? There's two downs and an up, and the rhythm they go in is down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Notice how the up comes in faster. Find your E minor chord and see if you can play along with me. After 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, and down, down, up. Great, that's the first half of the strumming pattern. The second half, I count in after 3. It goes 1, 2, 3. Did you see what happened? Immediately after 3, I gave an up, down, up. And unlike the first half, the duration of all 3 of those notes is the same. 1, 2, 3, up, down, up. 1, 2, 3, up, down, up. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Find your E minor chord again. And see if you can join in with me on the second half. It's an up, down, up, starting immediately after I say 3. Okay? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What you should do now is go back in the video and practice the first half, and then you should practice the second half. Because what we're going to do now is join both of those halves together to make one full strumming pattern. I'm going to demonstrate once, and then you're going to try with me. Here we go. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, up. That was down, down, up, down, up. Joining the first half and the second half. Down, down, up, down, up. Let's try together. If you feel you need to say that to yourself a few times, pause the video and say down, down, up, down, up. And if you want to practice as well, feel free to pause and have a practice. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And once more. 1, 2, 3, 4. It could be that you're finding it incredibly easy, but it could also be that there are certain parts of this that are really difficult. Maybe it's remembering what your chord looks like, maybe it's the second half of the strumming pattern. Just feel free to skip back in the video at any point and go over those bits slowly again. What we're about to do is take the strumming pattern we now know and start adding strums to the end of that in order to build it up to continuous strumming. There are 4 stages that build us up to continuous strumming. The first one starts with just a single strum after that strumming pattern. That would look like this. That's down, down, up, down, down. And once you've tackled that, we're going to add extra strums until we're building it up to continuous strumming. Let's try some of that strumming with down, down, up, down, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. last time. 3, 4. For stage 2 of the continuous strumming, we simply add 2 down strums instead of 1 at the end of our strumming pattern. That would go down, down, up, down, down. Did you see there was 2 downs at the end of that? Down, down, up, down, down. Let's try it together on an E minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. Stage 3 isn't all that much harder than stage 2. What we're going to do at stage 3 is down, down, up, down, down, up. We're adding a quick up strum after the second down, and you might have noticed that this is exactly the same as the first half of our strumming pattern. Down, down, up, down, down, up. Same thing. So I'll demonstrate once, then you can try with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And down, down, up, down, down, up. Down, down, up, down, down, up. Down, down, up, down, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. If you've gotten this far, you're doing great. Really well done. The last stage is taking it to continuous strumming. It might be that you manage 2 in a row and then make a mistake on the third. It might take you a while to get 2 in a row. But this is what 2 full strumming patterns sounds like. Did you notice the second half simply was exactly the same as the first half? Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. It's just 2 strumming patterns joined together with no gap in between. Let's try it if you're up for it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Getting 2 strumming patterns in a row is a big step on your way to continuous strumming. If you're still struggling with 2 strumming patterns, that's fine. Go back in the video and try and play along with me for the 2. If you've managed 2, let's move on to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you've got this far and you're managing 4, what I'm going to do now is play 8 strumming patterns in a row, and I'd like you to try and play along with as many as you can along with me. If you can get all 8, then I consider you able to strum continuously. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8. Did you manage? If you've got this far, you're doing great. We're going to start incorporating chord changes to this. We're actually going to take some steps backwards to allow for the difficulty of chord changes, and then we know what we're building up to, especially if you've gotten this far.